remember several weeks ago on Oklahoma Gardening, Steve featured our new lotus bed. Well, since that time we've had several questions about starting lotus from seed. So we decided to do a little experiment here at the gardens. So first thing you're going to do is go out and collect some seeds from a mature seed pod. Now the pollinated seeds are these larger ones, and the unpollinated ones, of course, are the small ones. So you want to make sure that you collect the larger pollinated seeds. And the difference between the mature seed pod and an immature seed pod is going to be the color of them. So we went out and we collected some of these seeds. Well, since the lotus seed has such a hard seed coat, we had to scarify them. You can hear just how hard that seed coat is. In fact, the seed coat is so hard that at UCLA they did some radiocarbon testing and estimated one to be over 1,200 years old, and they actually got that seed to germinate. So I took this seed and I put it on the grinder and ground it down to the white fleshy part. There you can see. After that, I took our seeds and I placed them in just a container of warm water. Changed the water out on a regular basis, and as you can see, after about 48 hours, we have some shoots emerging there. So then after about a week, when the shoots got to be about 3 inches, like this one is right here, we'll take them outside and we're going to plant them in a container of unamended garden soil, about 3 inches, and about 3 inches of water. So we'll place that seed down here in that soil. Now, this container here, we're going to go ahead and put this one in the greenhouse, and we're going to overwinter these lotus here in the greenhouse. But we're also going to do an experiment and plant some of those seeds out in our lotus bed. So stay tuned next spring and we'll give you an update on how our lotus seeds did.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.